Welcome to this great 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment on 76th Street between Park Avenue and Lexington. Move right into this superbly located, gracious, sunny, corner 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Welcome your guests through the oversized entry gallery of this home, which leads to a bright living room with 5 large windows, plus a separate windowed dining alcove. Split large bedroom suites on either side of the gallery allow for added privacy, and both feature excellent closets. The spacious corner primary bedroom suite is generous in size and features a private dressing area by its windowed bathroom and closets. Both bathrooms have been tastefully renovated in a neutral and modern style. Enjoy preparing your meals in the windowed kitchen with 2 entrances, plus Sub-Zero, Bosch, and KitchenAid appliances. Additional features include through-the-wall air conditioners, a laundry closet off the kitchen with an LG washer and dryer, and 14 windows. 136 East 76th Street is pet-friendly, has a bike room, free storage lockers, and a large and smartly furnished landscaped roof deck, in addition to an herb garden, all with incredible views. This most desirable and vibrant residential neighborhood includes Central Park, only 3 blocks away, and the best of New York City's world-class museums, the Metropolitan Museum, and so many more. Gourmet grocers like Citarella and Butterfield's, and countless restaurants and boutiques. For more information, contact Dean Feldman or Richard Rosenthal with Brown Harris Stevens.